Hi guys, today we'll be doing problem 24 from the AMC8 2024. The problem is, Gene has made a piece of stained glass art in the shape of two mountains, as shown in the figure below. One mountain peak is 8 feet high, while the other peak is 12 feet high. Each peak forms a 90-degree angle, and the straight sides form a 45-degree angle from the ground. The artwork has an area of 183 square feet. The sides of the mountains meet an intersection point near the center of the artwork, h, feet above the ground. What is the value of h? So first, let's highlight important parts. Each peak forms a 90-degree angle, and the straight sides form a 45-degree angle from the ground. There's one peak that's 12 feet high, and the other one is 8 feet high. Total area is 183 square feet. So, first of all, we can treat over here as a triangle. And this is 90 degrees. Because this is 12, and this one is also 12, because over here is 45, and over here is also 45. Because of that, then this side is 12 square root 2. And the same thing can be applied to this side. We can apply this same thing, and which ends up with us for 8 square root 2. Because we know that we also, one more thing is that we can, so one more thing we can do is that this we can do that, turn that into as the overlap part of the triangles. Because this is 8, remember, this is 8 square, since this is 8 square root 2, and this one is also, please note that this is also, that the area of this is 8 square root 2 times itself, or 8 square root 2, for this thing, this triangle right here. And the area of the triangle will be 64. Same thing can be applied over here, and the area of this triangle will be 144. So simply we do 183 minus 144 plus 64 equals 208. Also, remember, because we have an overlap part here, 208 has to subtract 183. Like this. And this equals 25. So now we know that the area of this triangle is 25. We can figure out that these sides, these two sides are 5 square root 2. Since this is 90 degrees, and this angle is 45. So basically, we know that this is 5 square root 2 and 5 square root 2, and we are just trying to find this and h. But because so we can note this, that this part we know that this part is, that we know that since we know this is 8 square root 2, and so is this, we can use the Pythagorean theorem and find out this part of the base. Same thing can be applied to this side. So first, 8 square root 2, and then plus 8 square root 2 square, which is 128. So then this side is 16. Over here, the side will be 200. So first, we know that this is 12 square root 2, this is 12 square root 2, and then it will be 288. 288 plus itself times 2, and we will get 576. and this part will be 18. So, and then in terms, we can find out that this can be 10. You can do trial and error. I use trial and error for this, but first of all, this part I found out is 6, and over here I found out this part was 8, while this middle part was 10. So because we know that this part is 10 now, we can also, then this is 5. Since 5 times 10 over 2 is 25. Although I do not advise you using trial and error for this, as trial and error is very disastrous and can take most of your time. So but still, the answer to this question is B, 5.